Yes, Lord. Oh, my. Yeah.
Coming live, guys, from frickin' Utah.
It's pouring right now because, yeah. Giant wet spot right there. It's kind of dark, as you can see. Yeah, look, it's freaking pouring.
But that's kind of a good thing, because we've been in a drought.
But freaking look at this. I keep standing under that stupid spot. It's freaking dripping from the roof. Look at this. Whoa. This is crazy.
Thanks, Hurricane Rosa. We have flash flood warnings. Yeah.
Yeah, I
keep standing under that frickin' spot, and it's starting to annoy me. I'm annoying myself.
Ooh, the chair's wet. Cool. Yeah, this is rain.
You guys can probably barely even hear me talking. But yeah, signing out